Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where we're kind of scattered all over this side of the galaxy. Which, you know, happens. We are fresh out of minerals, which is perfect because I just upgraded all of our ship designs to include hyperdrive 2. So, you know, fun stuff. Now we get to use all the minerals we don't have to upgrade our boats.
System survey complete.
Right.
Construction complete.
Good system? Oh, no, not a bad system. Continental world. Not bad at all. Okay. Lepanto, what are you doing? You any good? Oh gosh, Lepanto. I shouldn't have even asked. Lepanto's just a rough spot. Yeah, we need more. We need more of everything here. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna actually end up building a mine here at some point. Not yet, but at some point. Mineral processing plant. Oh. We are on our way towards a better mineral processing plant, if I remember correctly. So, and I think we may be putting one of those down in Murano sometime. Might just be a good idea. Although, who makes us the most minerals? 42 minerals. Whoa.
System survey complete.
That's not a very interesting system survey. I'll be completely honest. Well, it's not a very interesting system. Where are you getting all your minerals? Plus 8, plus 4, plus 2, plus 5, plus 6, plus 4. Yeah, I guess so. Sure, we'll turn maybe one of these, like the mining network 3 there. No, better yet, this one is only a mining... Oh, it's only 2. Or that's only a 3. Yeah. I don't have any mining network 2s, do I? Nope. Now, if I were to replace this, what exactly does... Where are we? Oh, hey, hang on. Mining network 3. What is this? Power hub. No, not a power hub. Although we should start looking at power hubs around here. You already have? Oh, we already have a mineral processing plant. Oh, we can upgrade this. Now what does this do? Produces 2 minerals and plus 10% everywhere else. Okay, yeah, so that's worthwhile. We can do that. Do we want to do that right now? I think so. Yeah, we'll do that right now. And then we will stay on the lookout for... Actually, I was just recording like about 20 minutes ago and I already forgot where our next colony ship was going to go. Construction ship. Don't be lazy. Oh. Give me research stations. It's fine. Oops. Okay, and now that we have, you know, a demand for more minerals, how about if we upgrade these guys? 293 minerals. Okay, that'll go pretty soon. Scientist has leveled up. I was looking at
Construction complete. Research
what it takes to upgrade, not upgrade, but what it takes to do uplift. And I have everything that it takes. In fact, being a Xenophile pop makes it, or Xenophile empire makes it more likely to happen. Oh, here we have hydroponics farm too. But I think stuff just keeps getting in the way. And there's I was gonna say Xenozoo, but I have to go psi-warriors. We're sick of being weak. I mean, it's not that we won't be weak anymore, but we can take our strong, our like reasonably okay pops and make psi-warriors of them. Yes. Yes, that's what we shall do. 62 months. Oh my crap. Corfu has finished constructing its stuff. Oh yeah, Corfu. Can't upgrade anything. Oh, we just don't have the minerals, that's what it is.
Ships upgraded. Construction complete.
Cassini, what are you doing? First off, Cassini, where are you? Okay. Survey system. Survey system. Survey system? Survey system. Alright. Yes, I already have someone doing that, I think, but that's okay.
Incoming transmission.
We want... you want to trade star charts, Finland. Oh, hey, first off, we didn't meet these guys. The Jogawala successor state. They are militant isolationists, so, okay, well, don't settle near them, right? That's how that works. What do they have? Cradle. Intel level low. Skyfather. Huh. I wonder what the deal is with that. Okay, well, we're gonna have to take them out too sometime. Someday. It'll happen. Star charts. The thing is, I want to do my own exploration, I think. You know what? No, let's do it. Wow, that opened up kind of a lot. Ooh, Finland is up in the Ottomans. Okay, the Aztecs. Yeah, the Aztecs took a bunch of stuff from... Oh, still gotta survey that? Yeah, I think the Aztecs took a bunch of stuff from Finland in this area. That's a weird looking Aztec empire. Them got tendrils all over the place. Hey, Castile, I'm ready for war. Would love to get some, to get access. Okay, yeah, it's gonna be a good long while before we can go to war. Let's, make the most of it. Probably declare multiple wars at once. Da Vinci has completed its stuff. Oh, hey. 215. Okay, let's get some mining stations. Go. Good job, Da Vinci.
Construction complete.
Oh, colony ship. Come on. Do your thing. Starvation. Nafplio. Where is this? Oh, hey, hang on. Yeah, first things first. Okay, you're over there. Okay. Oh, interesting. Alien pets. Collected by Pop. Okay. Okay, we'll deal with that in a second. So first off, don't get me alien pets. I just don't really want them that much. Get something like food. You don't have food. Okay. Shoot. Here, have some food. Basic hydroponics farm. Move over there. Thank you. He is 0% happy. That's because he's a fanatic xenophobe. Why do these fanatic xenophobes just keep migrating to places? Like, I'm gonna migrate to a far-off place on the rim. Oh, crap. There's already other people here that we don't like. Well, yeah, guess what? Why are you unhappy? You are also a xenophobe. Ethics divergence 51%. That's amazing. Ethics divergence 61%. Can he accidentally become my ethics by being an ethically divergent? That would be kind of cool. Honestly, so we're just gonna, I think it's time to hand these guys over. Once Verona is done, we're handing all three of these over to a sector. Are you in my territory yet? Not yet. You are just outside of my territory. Okay. Oh, Noxos. Noxos. Why do people keep wanting to leave you? Why? I don't understand. Where are you going? Trieste. Of course you're going to Trieste. Okay, what can we upgrade? Excuse me. Actually, no, it's a building that's not being used. That's what it is. Do that. then let's upgrade this guy. Biolab 2, perfect. More society research. Always good. Okay, as a gift to celebrate the friendship between our two civilizations, a caravan from the subterranean aliens on Trow brought a large quantity of gemstones to the surface. Stones such as these are apparently mined by their empire deep underground, as close to the moon's core as they dare to venture. How kind. We gain 500 minerals. That's just fine with me.
Construction complete. Colony established.
Ooh. Another colony ship. Okay, where are you gonna go? Also. Okay, we have multiple colony ships to deal with. This technically belongs to the Great White North, but it's not going to for very long. Okay, so that's within our territory, so don't need to worry about that. Continental focus. Or continental whatever. Go here. Colonize planet. Go. There? I guess? You have too many planets now? Yeah, let's just hand these over. Create new... Okay, let's call it the Great Green East or something. Create new sector. How about that one? That one? That one? That one? That one. And then finish. And then... It's called the Negroponte sector? No, no, no. First off, don't give me anything for a while. Oops. Don't manage. I'm sorry. Great Green East. Like the Great White North, only different. Okay, now let's give you like 300, well 200 minerals and just a bunch of money. There you go. There you go. Okay. Now you're somebody else's problem. That's really how it turns down, or comes out. Okay. The Crossroads sector is doing pretty well, actually. I think I'm going to tell them to go research focus. Yeah. We need all the science we can get. We'll let these guys go industrial focus for a while, because just to finish some things up and finish building, and then we'll switch them over. That's kind of what I've been doing. Let them go like industrial focus or whatever. Oh, you have a ton of money, or a ton of resources. I'm tempted to tell Zara to go research. I wonder if they'll redevelop stuff. Let's do that. Actually, who are you? Andrea, architectural interest. You know what? I need to move you. Great. Crossroads sector. Oh no, you already have the environmental engineer. Okay. How about Great Green East gets the environmental engineer? Yes. Crossroads gets the builder dude. Architectural interest. Yes. And Zara, you're gonna get someone else. You're gonna get an intelligent folk. Antonio Greatly. Yes, yes, yes. I believe that's what's gonna happen. Yes. Okay. Okay, I think that's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be real good. Oh yeah, so we're just gonna try to settle out all along in here. Make just a big ol' maybe we'll just make one giant sector out of this. That'd be kind of fun. Especially if we could steal some stuff from the papists. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and another colony ship. I forgot about this. Colony ship, you are Arctic. So get over to the Arctic. It's Arctic there. Yeah. go here. Come there. Yep, okay. Okay. Yet another colony ship. Hey, you know what? Let's build another colony ship. I think we have someone coming to here, right? Cabsec 2B? I hope so. I think so. Yeah, we do. Okay, that's right. So you know what we could do? Hey, how long's your term? 2279. We got a couple years. You know what we could do? Let's take this construction ship. He is busy?
System survey
Ah, yeah, he's
complete.
building mining stations and stuff. Okay, cool. Wow, Teutonic Order. I wish I had your font size. Oh well, I'm just a little bit envious. It's okay. Are you in my territory yet? Lies within Serene Republic of Venice. Yes. Okay, cool. Let us take the crossroads. Manage sector.
Construction complete.
Add that in. There you go. Hang on. Finish. Thank you. Who died? Admiral Severio Faliero. Well, we will have to pick up another admiral as soon as we can, actually. Well, as soon as we need one, really. Crossroads manage. Yeah, let's pick this one up. Might as well. And then we'll throw this one in as soon as it makes sense. I just don't want to deal with it. I just don't. Which means I should probably pick up another 2 really awesome planets. Like, really, really awesome planets. I wonder who they would be. Would it be someone close by? I'm half tempted to pick up this, this capital world here. Oh, you're only 62% happy. You need something to make you happy. Maybe I could provide that. Maybe I could provide that. What I want is a giant Gaia world, but that's
System
not
survey
happening.
complete.
Schiaparelli, where are you? Oh man. Where else could we possibly survey? Yeah, we still gotta pick this one up. Continental world. And then that one. Tropical world. Tropical world. Wait a minute. We have a tropical world creature in our space. Is there even anywhere that I can go to? I wonder if I can get open borders. Yeah, go there. Survey that system. Yeah, we have it with the Habsburgs. Okay. Tropical? Since when do we got tropicals? Hang on. Dalmatia. What do you got? No. Nobody terribly interesting. Oh hey, are you building stuff, Dalmatia? Like, I don't know. Are you building any farms? I mean, you're dying. Your people are dying. What I'm looking for now is a planet that I have that has tropical people on it. And I'm not seeing any. They'd be French, wouldn't they? I think that's the only ones that they could be. I think that's all it could be. Zara? Is that you? No, it wouldn't be there. Where are you going? Pendalore. Okay. I have no idea where we could build a colony ship with tropicals on it. This is a mystery. I'm really curious now. I'm very, very curious. So it's not there. Oh, of course it's not there. I don't have anybody there. It's not Trout. Nope. I wish I knew. Because all of a sudden tropicals are available to us. Tropical world, 23. Now we don't have tropical colonization, but that's not the point. I wish it would tell me what race and where they are. That being said, it is time to build another couple of colony ships. Where are we going to suck up this time? I think we're going to pick this one up here. Let me take a quick look at the French. Hey, look. Tropical habitability means that they would probably be on one of our continental worlds. There could be a French person on one of our continental worlds. So where did we settle a continental world? Verona? How about Ajax? Or Nafplio? Nope, no Frenchies there. How about here? Oh no. Wrong planet. Gotta pick the planet that's actually occupied. Oh, not there. That's an Arctic. Continental world. There it is. There they are. We have a couple of French. They are Xenophiles and Fanatic Individualists. That is fine with me. Hang on. That means that we can build... we can build colony ship. And bring... Xenophile Fanatic Individualists. Better yet. Actually strong. They're strong! Ooh! That means we can build armies with them. We could build psi armies with them. Army damage. And rapid breeders. And enduring. Fanatic Xenophile. Oh yeah. The next time it comes up, we're going to see what we can do on getting... We're going to see what we can do to get tropical colonization, and that's going to be awfully nice. But for now, you know what? Let's see what else we can colonize like right now. Okay. Hello, kitten. My cat is saying hello. Kitty, don't step on my don't step on my keyboard. So what I'm looking for now is if I have a colony ship. If I have the kind of colony ship that is going to here. I don't think we do. Yeah, we do. Okay, there it is. Belzoni 2. Okay, so that's covered. Where else can we settle? I think we got this one done. This Arctic world. That's happening. I think it's time to go over here. To this continental world. I think it's time for another continental something or other over here. Hey, you. Spaceport. Yeah. Why are you starving? Ooh. Oh, no xenophobes. No xenophobes. I'm sorry. Spiritualist, fanatic pacifist. It's gonna have to do. So yeah, we have French citizens on our soil. That's going to be really good. That's going to allow us to cover a lot of bases. Yeah. Da Vinci, you're done. There's something else I'm going to do. I think I'm going to build us a military outpost. Build military station. Dryad class defense platform. Actually, hang on. Defense platform. Can we upgrade you? No, we can't. That's basically what you got. Okay, cool. Okay, yes. So, construction ship. Let's put a military station right near Venezia. Or maybe, like, on the other side of Venezia. That's it. Way out here, because they're going to get sucked to there. And we'll place them right out there so that they're not near anything, you know, fragile. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll do. Somebody died. Saturnius system is interesting, actually. Construction ship.
System survey complete.
Come on down. Construction ship. Do mining stations. This sector, hey, what? Crossroads sector, what do you need to build stuff? Why don't you have a couple more, like 300 more minerals to not let our people starve? How's that sound? How's that sound? How about not letting our people starve? Yes. Yeah, and our science boats are going to have to come home soon and help out with research. I think that's what's going to have to happen. Ooh, San Erasmo is almost done. Where's that? Oh, it's this one.
Colony established.
There you go.
Research complete.
Empire. Crossroads. Manage. Here you go. Deal with that. Deal with that yourself. Thank you. Now, I don't know that these are ever gonna, like, join up, you know? It would be awfully nice if the borders joined up. Just to be fun, you know? Just to be fun. Research complete. Assist research. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that's gonna have to happen. 0 point power. No. Oh, 17,000. 119 months. No, let's do something nice and cheap. Ooh, shield capacitor. That increases shield recharge rate. I think we go shield harmonics. It's just a blanket sort of thing. It's 61 months, but that's the way, I like it. No, that's the way things are just kind of be in our empire at this point. It's kind of sad, but kind of true. And then, can we, wait, oh, finish this, thank you. Can we settle Tundra Worlds yet? I think we can. Yes, we can, that's right. So what I want to do, I want to settle this Tundra World. How big is it? It's a 23, it's not bad. Settle this Tundra World. And then once we do that, we are going to want to, kill off this this frontier outpost, and then once we do that, we can probably build one out here because there's some really good stuff out here. I would love to pick up, well, basically all this, but I don't know that it's ever going to happen. But either way, it's not going to happen in this episode. So you know what? I think I'm going to have to say we did some good stuff. We're expanding out in here. We're going to expand into this area. We have French folk in our territory, so we can start colonizing tropical worlds as soon as we're allowed to colonize tropical worlds. We're progressing pretty well, although it's really, really, really killing our research. So we're gonna have to work on that. One quick question: Zara sector. Yeah, you have plenty of minerals. Are you changing some things? Yeah, it looks like we might be getting a little bit more research. Good stuff. Either way, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.